Railway workers with flashlights cautiously approach the train on the snow-covered platform. Footprints are the only sign of movement, but they stop abruptly near the train, leading nowhere. Workers' expressions are tense and uneasy. The night is quiet except for the distant hum of the train, and the scene feels suspenseful, like something unexplainable is happening. In a cozy Hokkaido cabin, an old man named Kenji and a woman, Yuki, whispered anxiously as steam rose from the teacups. Outside, heavy snow fell, and the faint, rhythmic sound of train wheels on rails could be heard through the blizzard. A 90s-era calendar and faded family photos hung on the wall, hinting at a long-held secret. Their faces tightened with fear as they spoke of disappearances, all linked to the mysterious ghost train.